So now we will discuss EC2 tenancy shared versus dedicated. So shared tenancy, which is the default one, in this single host machine can have instance from multiple customers. Let us assume we are having a EC2 instance, that is a virtual server. So this server is used by the multiple customers. So that is about shared tenancy. So EC2 dedicated instances. So virtualized instance on hardware dedicated to one customer. So we don't have visibility into the hardware of underlying host. So in this, we are given a separated EC2, but we can't able to see the hardware of the EC2 instance. So that is about dedicated instance. So what's the difference between this and this is that in EC2 dedicated instance, we are given a dedicated virtual server, whereas in shared tenancy, the virtual server is being shared by the multiple customers. So EC2 dedicated host. So in this, the physical server that is given to separate individual customer so that he can have access to see the underlying hardware like sockets and the physical ports. And the use cases is that it also needs regulatory needs or server bound software license like Windows Server, SQL Server. So it also meet the regulatory needs like Windows Server, SQL Server. So that is about shared tenancy. In exam point of view, we need to remember this shared tenancy, dedicated instance, and dedicated host. So as we discussed about that, shared tenancy is nothing but one virtual server or one host machine can have instance from multiple customers. Whereas in the dedicated instance, we are given a dedicated instance, but we can't see the underlying hardware. Whereas in dedicated host, we can see the underlying hardware. So that is about EC2 tenancy.